Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Smellow air freshener from Liquid Elements. This one in particular is called Rice Wäsche. It's some sort of exquisite laundry. I received the product from Liquid Elements, however it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. Normally I spray these kind of air fresheners in the carpet, but this time I will spray it in the seats because of why not. Anywho, yeah, let's roll and then we'll be back with the conclusion how long it lasted.
And you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah. Come on.
Okay, I sprayed all around the seats. We'll see how long it is going to last. It has some very nice, refreshing, like a feminine perfume scent.
1 week later.
Okay, boys and girls, that was the Liquid Elements Smellow air freshener to the car. I have to say that it lasted around for, like, let's say 4 days. It was strong, and for another 3 days it was so, but like a week after I sprayed it on the seat, more or less it is gone by now. Smell wise, for me it was okay, and even though it's a feminine perfume scent, my missus didn't really like it, but obviously there are considerably more variations of the scents, and you can choose whichever you prefer. And that's that. Yeah, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.